Yeah.
So now a lot of moms know what McLaren is, and a lot of us have McLaren strollers, but Tony, what is up with this? It's a BMW McLaren? What's that about?
Well, this is the BMW McLaren. McLaren and BMW partnered up to put out this buggy, which I think is just beautiful. A lot of Yankee fans in the area, I just think it's a great blue. I'm actually a Met fan, but I think it's a great blue, and it comes in black and silver. It has the logo, and it's tricked out, for lack of a better term. We even have the BMW rims.
What?
From what I understand, it's got individual four-wheel suspension. It very comfortable stroller. McLaren always promotes the 5-second fold, so it's very easy. For your BMW drivers who probably spend a lot of time on the golf course, it's probably a familiar way to grab the stroller.
Alright, I've had my eye on this and I'm so curious. What is Swingies?
Oh, I'm so glad you asked. You're a mom yourself, and
Yep.
I'm a dad. And how many times have you gone to the playground and found that your child wants to get on a swing and they just don't go on there safely? Either they don't want to get on because they're scared, or you don't want to put them on because you don't feel safe.
Right.
That's where we have the Swingies by Honeybee. It's a great item. You can go ahead and strap it onto any swing. It's a couple of years of safe fun on the swings, and Swingies by Honeybee Child.
And you throw it in your car and you just have it with you wherever you go.
Yeah, absolutely.
Alright, Tony, well, thank you so much for having me in today to Kitty Hub. This place is awesome and kind of like a new parent's dream come true, because if you don't know what you're doing and you have no idea where to start, you have guys like Tony that really walk you through it. And I think that's what sets you apart from everybody else, is that you offer a lot of things that other stores don't.
Absolutely.
Yep.
We are child passenger safety certified, so we have the added benefit of having certified professionals installing car seats in your car, so you can be reassured that we're going to take care of all of your needs, and we know what we're doing. We are eager to bring back the mom and pop feel on a premium level, and what we want to do is baby moms. We want to baby moms and welcome you down to Kitty Hub and help you out with all of your baby gear and accessory needs. Please come down. 18 Wall Street. We're in Norwalk, Connecticut. Our grand opening is April 27th. It's going to be so much fun. We have a lot of surprises for people. We're giving away over $1,000 worth of merchandise.
Wow.
We're going to have food, fun. It's just going to be a great time. It's a great way for you guys to meet us and see what we do. Please come down.
Kitty Hub!